Welcome back to Punchy's Garage. Today is a very exciting day. I got a little piece of artwork in the mail. It's going to go right here beside my Lego Beetle and these other ones. Package is right here. So this is a handmade sculpture of my car with high detail by Michael Case. Been waiting for this patiently. These things take quite a long time to produce, and it's finally here, and I wanted to unbox it and make a video showing this thing because it's really cool. So let's go ahead and get this thing opened up. As you can see, fragile. Gotta open this up carefully, and let's go. All right, pretty excited about this. All right, here we go. Little decal that came with it. Art and Soul. See the website there. Take a screenshot, it'll last longer. Put my scissors back together somehow. How do they go? There we go. Oh, I can see it already. Looks like Punchy already. Wow, this will look so good on my shelf. All right, so before I take this paper off, I just want to say Michael has a very distinctive sculpting style. It's kind of a cross between a caricature and real life. So it has like a cool, like melty kind of look to it, almost like it's a wax candle, kind of melted slightly. You'll see what I mean here in a moment. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. It looks just like my car. Got a lot of details in here. You got my palm fronds, my rear window rack even has the rope wrapped around that. Got my wood grain shape here. Got my antenna with my little red foam ball on the end of it. Got the palm fronds on the front and back lids. Got my yellow tinted headlights. Let's take a look at the bottom. It's got a little bit of a kind of a rubberized foam padding here on the bottom, so it sits nice and smooth. Check that out. Boom. Even put my little Hawaiian Punch bug decal on the window. This thing's got some weight to it. It's solid. I'd have to say this thing weighs at least 6-7 pounds. But what do you think about that? Check it out. Got the Florida license plate with the 6.7 on it for 1967, of course. Got the 17-inch Raider wheels. Got my custom wood running boards. This thing is snazzy. Look at that. So you can see it's kind of got like that cartoon car look. Kind of a caricature. So that's it. Real short video today. Thank you, Mike Case. Really appreciate it. He gets a lot of requests for these things, and he's got kind of a wait list. So I was glad that I got on that list, and let's throw it on the shelf and get a little bit better video of that thing up there by the Lego car. All right, so we got the Lego version of my car. Just so happened to be the exact same color as my car, so it worked out really nice. This was a 1971 that I had owned. This one I wish I owned, but I didn't. And now we got a little caricature version of Punchy, the 67 Beetle. Look at that thing, so cool. Check out the luggage rack. I mean, it's really done well. A lot of detail in it. So this is gonna be a nice little addition to my shelf here. Got a nice little Beetle collection going on here. The Volkswagen 1980s shrine, I guess you could call it. So thanks again, Michael. Appreciate all the hard work on this thing. If you're interested in getting one of these done, you can probably contact Michael. Except I do know that he is going to be having surgery here pretty soon. So he won't be taking on too many more of these jobs in the immediate future. I'm glad that he was able to squeeze me in. So with that said, thanks for watching. I love stuff like this. It's really cool just to do something like this other than working on a car. Now I've got my car sort of immortalized in a sculpture. I could probably do some sort of sculpture myself being a full-time artist, but I really liked his style and I really wanted it to be done by him and have it on his shelf. So thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Got some big news coming about Punchy. So stick around for that. Please hit subscribe if you made it this far. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Okay, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the right there, and make sure you check out my other video on the left.